Spring pollen's floating in the air. Achoo, achoo! I sneeze everywhere. Spring can be a little tough, but still, I love it, can't get enough. Flowers blooming all around, warm, soft breezes all over town. Summer sun is shining big and bright. Oh, it's hot, so hot today. Summer's tough, but that's alright, because summer fun is here to stay. Splashing in the pool all day, watermelon, peaches, and sweet fruits to enjoy. Fall Gingko leaves fall on the ground. Ooh, that smell is all around. Fall can be a little strange, but it's still my favorite change. Leaves turn red and golden brown. Crisp, cool air comes drifting down. Woo! Winter wind is blowing sharp and cold. Brrr, it's freezing, and truth be told, winter's chilly, winter bites, but still I love those snowy nights. Build a snowman, have a fight. Warm soup makes it all feel right. Spring is best. No, summer's cool. Fall's the prettiest, everyone knows. What? Winter rules. In spring we see the flowers bloom. In summer we splash and zoom. In fall the colors fill the sky. In winter snow piles way up high. There's never time to wonder why. One whole year just zooms right by. Spring, summer, fall, and winter, one whole year goes by.